can only live if there's light, but I die if a light shines on me. A shadow! A shadow!
Correct answer, a shadow.
Bye, Mom. I'm off to school.
Sissy, I got a riddle.
Hurry, read it to me.
What can run but can't walk? A turkey?
No, don't say turkey.
Final answer.
It's a river. It's a river.
Are you sure?
I think so.
A river. Correct answer, a river.
Oh no, I just got a riddle.
Hurry, read it out loud. We can all help you.
What has 21 eyes but can't see?
21 eyes but can't see. Come on, give him suggestions.
I don't know.
I know the answer. It's 10 and a half blind people.
Incorrect. Correct answer, a dice.
Oh no, I got another riddle. What is more useful when it is broken?
It's an egg. It has to be an egg. No way, it's a glow stick. Say glow stick.
So which is it?
An egg. A glow stick.
If I don't get this right, I'm going to die.
The final decision is yours to make.
An egg.
Correct answer, an egg.
Mom, I'm home.
Oh no, I got a riddle.
You need to read it out loud.
What is always in front of you but can't be seen?
Right in front of you, but you can't see it. Air. It has to be air. It's always right in front of you, but nobody can see it.
The answer, air. Incorrect. Correct answer, the future. Mommy's gone.
I really thought I was right.
I got a riddle again. What can fly but has no wings?
I don't know. I don't want to be wrong again.
Please help. Here's your soulmate candy cane. No, don't eat it. You need it to find your soulmate. Only your soulmate's candy cane will match with yours, making a heart. But every year, you'll only be given the candy cane for the month of December.
So I only get 1 month to find my soulmate every year?
Yes, so you better get looking. Hi, Bree.
Timmy, let me see your candy cane. Let's see if we're soulmates.
Does it match?
No, too big.
You broke my candy cane.
It's finally the month of December. It's time to look for our soulmates.
This year's going to be the year I find my soulmate. I just know it. Jake, let me see your candy cane.
Is it a match?
It's too small.
Size doesn't matter.
In this case, it does. What? It's December 31st already, and I still haven't found anyone that matches my candy cane.
Hey, Bree, I'm having a New Year's party. Everyone's invited. Want to come through?
New Year's party. That's a perfect place to meet your soulmate.
Here's a drink. Time to party.
No time for chit-chat. I need to find who matches my candy cane. Kevin, can I see your candy cane? Let's see if we're soulmates.
I ate mine by mistake. Brianna, do you want a drink?
Let me see your candy cane. I'm gonna have to pass on that drink.
Can you at least try to enjoy the party?
I've tried everyone here. No one matches my candy cane.
Attention, everyone. The new year is in 1 minute.
It's almost January 1st. That means I haven't found my soulmate this year again.
You've made this entire night about you and finding your soulmate. You completely wasted my New Year's Eve.
You're right. I'm sorry.
So you never found your soulmate?
Nope, I never did. But I realized there's more to life than finding your soulmate.
Are you telling stories again?
My best friend never found her soulmate either.
Yep, I still have my candy cane.
It's always been you.
I'm a gummy.
Stop playing.
Gummy!
Playing is against the law. You're lucky no one saw you, or else you would have been killed.
Catch! Let's play. We're not allowed. We'll get killed.
That's only if they see us. No one's around.
Okay, catch.
Catch!
Catch.
Catch! Were you girls playing?
No, I wasn't. It was just her throwing the ball. I wasn't playing.
No, she was playing too.
No, I wasn't. No, Poppy, you're not allowed to play. No playing.
Why do you have a ball?
No, Poppy, you're not allowed to play. No playing.
Why do you have a ball? Were you playing?
I wasn't playing. I was just teaching the puppy not to play.
Good work, kid. I'll kill the dog.
No!
Brianna, we're all gonna hang out after school. Are you coming?
A hangout? Are you crazy?
Relax, we're all just gonna talk and study. There's gonna be no games or playing.
Okay.
Hey, we should all play spin the bottle.
No! I thought we were just going to study. We're not allowed to play.
What are you, scared? Are you a chicken?
No, I just don't want to die.
Alright, I'll go first.
I can't believe you're actually doing this.
Look at that, the bottle landed on you.
That is not happening.
Were you playing a game? No, I wasn't. It was Brianna's idea.
Speech? What's this?
It's a new thing started by the government. You're given a certain amount of words a day and you must use all of them, or else.
Well, I only have 18 words today. That shouldn't be hard to use.
Brianna, how many words do you need to use today?
18.
Wow, you're so lucky. I got 5,000 words I have to use today, so I have to talk super fast and I have to use lots and lots of words. Talk, 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 talk. I can't stop talking, can't stop talking. The day's almost done. Did you use all your words?
Yes.
These are my last words, too.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Honey, what's wrong?
I got 100,000 words to use today. How can I use all those words?
You'll have to try your best.
I don't understand. I only had 55 words, now I have so many.
What's wrong with your voice?
I lost my voice talking so much yesterday. I won't be able to use all my words.
No, you can do it. You can.
I can hardly talk.
I want to switch my words back. Hello? The government? Are you there? God? Keep on trying to talk. The day's not over yet.
It's okay. It's not your fault.
I heard from your best friend's mom she passed away. She couldn't use all her words. Are you okay?
Another day, another charge. What? Mom, I need to borrow your charger.
No, I'm using it.
I'm only at 10%. I'm going to die.
Here, hurry up.
It's not working. Let's try this.
That's the emergency charger.
This is an emergency. It didn't work. There must be something wrong with my charging port.
Did I hear something wrong with the charging port? Hold still.
Hold what? What happened? You made it worse. I'm at 2% now.
There's one more thing we can try. Come with me.
Wait.
So, you need more charge?
Yeah, my dad says you know what to do.
I have just the thing.
Dad, this guy seems sketchy.
Put this to your charging port, and whatever you do, don't move.
Wait, why can't I move?
No questions, just do it.
I am tired of getting electrocuted.
Look at your energy.
200%? But that's not even possible. I have so much energy. I feel so great. My energy hasn't went down all day. Not even 1%.
That's great, but maybe you should take a break, Brianna.
Not a chance. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. I feel great.
Are you sure?
Oh, yes, I really do. My energy is at its max, and I am loving it. Woo!
Honey.
Oopsies.
Uh-oh, you got a mark. 5 mistakes and you're out.
Out? Like,
Yes, exactly. 2 plus 2. Brianna, what's the answer?
I can't answer it. I don't want to make a mistake.
I know the answer. It's 3. That was Timmy's 5th mistake. 5 mistakes and you're out. Brianna, hold this.
What is wrong with you? Why did you give that to me to hold when I wasn't ready?
Chill out. It's no big deal.
No, I can't chill out. I have 2 marks now. 3 more and I'm out.
Giving her that to hold was a mistake. What? How is that a mistake? Was it a mistake? Brianna, if you agree, I'll take away one of your marks. Was it a mistake? Brianna, if you agree, I'll take away one of your marks. No, that's my last mistake. You still have 3 left.
It was her mistake, not mine.
Hey guys,
You can't sit with us.
Why not?
The reason Sophie's dead. You let her die so you didn't get another mark.
Why should I get a mark? I wasn't the one who made a mistake. 5 marks and you're out.
You're so selfish. Your shoelaces aren't tied.
Why would you do that?
Sir, she made a mistake. She forgot to tie her shoelaces and then she tripped.
What? No, you tripped me.
You're now the school's target. That's what you get for killing Sophie. You're gonna be next.
Okay, what's my superpower? What is this?
It's your birthday. What special power did you get?
I don't know. There's just a bunch of colors over my head.
Colors?
Yeah, there's blue. What happened?
Nothing. You just have blue lines on your face now.
Oh, I selected it.
It's so funny. She doesn't even get a real power.
Hey, why would you say that?
What? I never said anything.
That was so weird.
Hey, happy birthday!
Hey, my dude Jim!
She'll never know how madly in love with her I am.
You're in love with me?
What? How did you know that?
Whoa, I can read minds.
Hey, is your birthday party still on at your place?
Yes, of course it is.
I really hope her mom's there. She is so fine.
I'm so over this whole mind reading thing, and stay away from my mom. I wonder what superpower Red will give me. Oh, I forgot. Puts lines on my face. I don't feel any different.
Guess what? My crush asked me out and we're going on a date tonight.
Danger.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Why? You're never happy for me.
No, you don't understand. It gave me a danger warning.
A what? It looks safe to cross now. Let's go.
Danger.
Wait!
Whoa, that was close. Your power's actually, like, really useful. Hey, I invited Jim to come study with us.
Jim? Okay, but you know he's like madly in love with me, right?
Really? Since when?
Danger. Danger. Danger.
Oh, that must be Jim. I'll be back. I'll go let him
Danger.
in.
Wait, no. Let's see what power Black gets me.
What new power did you get?
I'm not sure yet. 63 years left?
Hey, Brianna, cool lines in your face. Very rad.
5 years left?
What?
Oh, it shows me how many years people have left to live.
Huh?
I would start taking better care of your health. You don't have much time left.
You're crazy.
63 years.
Why do you keep saying that?
That's how long you have left to live.
What? No way. I deserve way more than that. I have to study really hard if I want to go to med school next year.
I think it's better if you just live in the moment.
No, med school's my dream.
Yeah, but life is very unpredictable. You never know. In a year, you could be gone.
You're just jealous you can't get into med school.
What power will I get for purple? Ooh, purple kind of suits me.
Why haven't you left yet? It's 9 a.m.
9 a.m.? No way, I'm gonna be late for school. What's happening?
Whoa, how did you get here? You're lucky. You made it just in time for the bell.
Whoa, I can teleport. Class was so easy.
Oh no, I forgot my bag.
I got you, bestie. I got your bag, bestie.
Thank you.
And I also got this.
What's that?
It's the answers for the upcoming science test. I teleported into Mrs. Jennings' office and I took them. And the best part is, no one could have saw me go in. Because I didn't. I teleported.
Brianna, we saw that you took the answers.
Principal Smith, how is that possible? I never even went in.
You know we have security cameras, right?
I forgot about that. Gotta go. Alright, it's time to see what the last power is. Brown. Ugh, looks like shit. Hey, bestie.
Hey, Brianna. Where are you?
What are you talking about? I'm literally right here.
All right, wherever you're hiding, come out.
I'm right in front of you.
No, you aren't.
Whatever joke you're playing or prank or whatever, it's not funny.
Looks like Brianna's absent today.
What? No, I'm literally right here.
I can hear you, but I can't see you. Come out this instant.
Why can nobody see me? Oh, that must be my new power. I can be invisible. How do I turn this off? Oh,
When did you get here?
time to spy on people. What is my bestie doing over there with my boyfriend?
Brianna can never know the truth about our love.